Hi guys, this is Amir from the Ethical Hackers Club. So this is just a quick demo on the CVE 2018-16858 or the LibreOffice directory traversal flaw, which allows unintended remote code execution via macro or event. This vulnerability has been discovered by Alex Infer, aka Insert Script. The directory traversal vulnerability shows a way to have a remote code execution as soon as the user opens a malicious ODT file and moves his cursor or mouse over the document. If the user highlights the malicious part of the document, then it will trigger the remote code execution without showing any warning dialog box. Alex has a detailed description of the vulnerability, including files that he used for the proof of concept. If you want to know more about the LibreOffice vulnerability, I do suggest visit Alex's post on his website regarding it. The link is included in the description box. The bug is the directory traversal, which lets you execute a local Python file. And one way of exploiting this is as LibreOffice ships with its own Python interpreter, so it has its own Python scripts. One of the files which can be abused is the pydoc.py file. The file includes a user-controlled CMD parameter, which is passed on the OS system call. In short, allows to execute a local file with parameters. The original POC or proof of concept shows calc.exe being executed, which opens the calculator app. For this demo, I'm using a Windows 10 64-bit box. Its version is 1803. So this box is with the default settings along with Microsoft Defender enabled and updated. And for the LibreOffice version, I'm using the version 6.1.2.1 to demo the vulnerability. Here is a quick demo of the original POC. Highlighting the text will execute the calc.exe. On his POC video, Alex changed the color of the hyperlink to white to kind of hide the malicious text, but moving the cursor on it will launch and open the calc.exe. If you want to see a simple weaponized version of it, I've prepared a sample of it. What will happen is that opening the malicious file and moving the cursor on the document or the text will result on getting a reverse shell. So just think of this Kali box as my C2 server. Opening the malicious ODT file and moving the cursor on the document will give me a reverse shell. That's it. Thanks for watching.